Hello everyone. Welcome to Yatish Management Talk Show. I am Yatish Koil, founder of Yatish Management Talk Show series where we invite successful entrepreneurs, distinguished faculties across the world who will be speaking on the best practices used in the companies, ideas, innovations, research, and insight for SMEs and family managed businesses. Today, our guest speaker is Dr. Srinivasan Iyengar. Will be speaking on the topic disruption, the business model innovation. About Dr. Srinivasan Iyengar, he is a professor in JBI, Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies. He is also a teacher, researcher, author, trainer, and consultant, and interested in consistent learning and sharing knowledges. Further, I would like to welcome Dr. Srinivasan. Dr. Srinivasan, welcome to our show. Further, I would
My
like
pleasure.
to can you let us know about more about yourself other than what I have spoken in the just now?
You said everything. Extensive author, I do hardcore academician by profession, by a teacher, and also do good researchers. Who sits in couple of companies for the strategic decision makings and visiting to premier institutes in India, like IIM. And
Okay. So,
that's I think that is sufficient. Yeah.
okay.
Is it audible? I'm
So,
audible, right?
yeah, you're audible. So, what I can say is that we can start on a topic disruption, the business model innovation, like right now. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Doctor, for inviting me to me. In fact, I do publish. It is something like creating a full force course on this subject. When I was teaching this subject 3 years before, as electives in one of the IIMs, the response was so good. So we created a course called or existing how their businesses capture the new innovators, how they are doing it in the digitization. And if businesses today, the top emerging businesses or top Fortune 500 companies, the companies were not existing or maybe 2 to 3 days before. And conventional were need to be redefined. Necessary if we ask why to read, because the customers are the customer what we have seen 20 years before. For example, if we talk about the banks, the earlier the success of the banks depends upon the number of branches. Am I right? Okay.
Yes.
You can ask this question to any people. The number of people in a bank account, how many times they are going to the branch physically? More than 3 times in last 3 months or 6 months. I can tell you honestly, majority of the they never go to the branches. Even if they have a problem and issues, they used to solve. Only business customer go to the branches frequently. Now, what's happening? Banking probably must be using more extensive mobile. Now the question will come: what will happen to the conventional banking? Whether can you going to have more branches with the same existing setup, or it has. For an example, why this is happening? Today, customer there is a buying behavior culture. Everything is changed. Hope you have seen that paradigm shift in the consumer mindset. Today, we are accepting it. Many examples in the dynamics of the industry, how it works. They could able to increase the 20,000 plus keys. Now number of that one is hardly early 30s. Now you can able to compete with brands. Earlier to come up with what the entire project will take few years. Idea generation to commercial product into the market. But today you can able to scale it up the way 1,20,000 rooms, absolute shorter period. It is something like Airbnb. You must be seeing it Uber and Ola. The conventional businesses the way it was, but today with the help of digitization. Example, you see how the customers more options. We are moving to the economy of gig economy. We are shortage to surplus. Whatever earlier we shortage, today's become surplus. Because of these businesses which is emerging, even today manufacturers like automobiles to read. For example, earlier days, I'll just start that marketing perspective, how the dynamics have changed. Because always we used to experience the product, price, place, promotion. But today, if we go to the customer and say the marketing mix, then what customer they try to learn piece to be reinvented. 4 piece can be reinvented instead of giving customer one solution, just a product. They want solution. For an example, how divert into solution. I'll give one example. How that Michael Portos talked about the technology of smart products today coming to the market. The typical product like, for an example, is a tractor and tractors. Today, current generation farmers, they don't want just tractor to. Then what they look at the tractors? The tractor should have smart technology and inbuilt with the product. What is the question of right? What is the question of smart product into the tractors? Today, if you see, they said internet. You can start your vehicle through your voice. If the tractor comes with Bluetooth, infrared, Wi-Fi, is it required in tractor? It required to the tractor because the farmer who buys a tractor not for the farming equipment, they also would like to know soil testing, weather testing, weather predictions, and now there are multiple three more stakeholders are coming to the picture. Today, strategy what we talk about in the businesses, growing together, collaboration. If the tractor wants to sell, he should know what is the weather prediction, quality oil, and seed testing, water irrigation, because we know everything. And today, that's what we are going to build entire ecosystems are trying to give not just a product. If we give the just a tractor, customer may not appreciate it. It's called Bubbleot. You can check it out in the net. You will come to know that is a badminton racket which talks about complete records your how the ball comes, how is that including your body temperature, your BMI, heartbeat. And if you are a player, you are using the Bubbleot as a racket while practicing. After the able to track record your entire history, where you can able to have a scope for your record. Products are coming to the market, replacing the conventional products. Not every time you have to bring smartness, but the product has to have a solution quotient. That's what my question is. Only shampoo. That's what we used to get early 2-3 decades before. If you see, hardly people use. They use only sabun for the body as well as hair. Then shampoo segment. Now we are using conditioner. Today, if you come to everybody's home, There are 3 to 4 different shampoos are occupying in their bathrooms. Because the shampoos may not be same if you are having a or your kids. Because the problem for 4 people, all problem may not be same. You will have problems. For example, somebody might have that problem of dandruff. The people, those who are having dandruff, using Head and Shoulders. Somebody might have a hair fall or hair strengthening or hair whitening. Whatever the multiple problems, today the companies are trying to reinvent multiple more segments. It is not only happening in shampoo, in apparel, automobile. You can see any segment, number of products available to the customers than what we are getting earlier. Probably reason, earlier also we had 24 hours, today we have 24 hours. There is no change in hours, but of time. Today we don't have time to browse all the products. We want ready-made product. Another example you can able to understand much better. The earlier days yoga, I just wonder you can able to go to Amazon and try to check it out what is it right or wrong. Yoga means one book will be there for, and everybody used yoga, only selected people, certain age, certain religion, certain community mind. But today yoga is transformed into, there is a yoga in female. Within female, there is a yoga for, and within yoga now you have a pregnant lady, the yoga will be different the senior citizens. There is yoga for morning, afternoon and evening. You can check it out. Whichever I said, there's a titles are available in the Amazon books. You can check it out. The way it is extra, there is a book is available for Doga. You know what is Doga? Doga for dogs. It is moved to even people are. That's why today everybody try to reinvent and try to be to get their own customer to get customer share in the market. Because today customers are not have time. Apparel. How many brands are available to today's customer? For kids, there is a specific brand. For male, there is a specific brand. Within male, we have a formal, we have a party wear, ethnic wear. Are coming. Today, customer needs that. Acute shortage of time. They don't have time to see. Today, the way out we spend the customer, today we spend money, time on. In fact, the buying patterns earlier days is different. Today, online marketing, comprising online retail, businesses. Probably one of the reason could be why Facebook investing in Geo. Probably you come to know, right? Because people are shifting to mobile. Now companies also shifting their business model as it started with the banking. Your entire banking products are shifting towards into mobile bank, and we are accepting it. End of the day, people are became more technology oriented. And today, if you will, mobility, right? Mobility solution we're using mobile for mobility also. And Ola. Now you are transporting, you are getting your car. So now what happened? Today, if you see most of the entrepreneurs that read the Schumpeter theory of innovation, what he suggested today, if you see the business history, when you talk about past, he divided the business into 5 decades. And today, the business for every business is less than 10 or 15. Earlier, the business were for long period. When there is a steam engine, automobile, petrochemical, right? Aviation, but if you see electronics, but when the computer business, it's completely the existing business model for 30 years. Today, the emerging business leaders, if you see, their businesses is something like unique. Facebook, Google, Instagram. How they started business? Probably if you see all the products, most of them are offering free. That's what Schumpeter says. If you want to become survival fittest. Survival fittest. And another thing what he talks about innovation. If you want to be, it could be product innovation or service. There are different types of innovation where we can to survive. And today, if you are new entrepreneurs, if you are getting to that, you see how the business was emerged. And people come with diverse background and could able to do something better in their domain. Take the example of Tesla. How Elon Musk started payment gateway. He started PayPal, then started SolarCity, then he started, slightly moved into EV vehicle, battery up, and today SpaceX. That how he could able to start the company purely innovation. Take any example, could be Paytm to today. You can see most of the entrepreneurs, they have to come with innovative concepts. You try to identify there is a solution. It could be from any extreme. The guy, one of our part-time MBA students, started the solution because when we travel in Mumbai, most of the time 80% people travel through local trains. And what he has done, he has come with a simple solution, how the Mumbai train, local train charts live updates on the mobile. It's one of the largest download in Mumbai. The product is not something great, but he could able to identify this, what people are looking out for it. And you can see thousands of entrepreneurs are entering to the segment. They try to give solution to the product, solution to the customer through their products. That innovation could be anything. The innovation could be disruptive innovation also. Not necessarily every time disruptive also. But product should be highly innovative nature. For an example, what could be the success story of Apple? Apple became successful product. Only Apple, fantastic, fabulous case studies are written. How that Apple could able to see the, for example, IBM, the person who invented computer, why he exited from computers? Why he sold this product? What happened to the entire computer industry today? How many people are ready to buy a desktop? Brand like IBM, HP, Compaq, HCL, HP, all the brands today. How many people are buying them? Why IBM moved completely their business model into cloud system to computer manufacture? It's not easy, right? Those who are entrepreneurs, started when you create a product, exiting is become challenging because they are more passionate with the product. If they ask them to exist, they don't know how to do that. But IBM has done clever move. Realize that there is no real value addition in computers because they couldn't able to create any value to the computer as a product because it was supplier product. If all these five people fight for them to sell the computer, Microsoft gets money, Intel gets more money. But Apple, they would not try to talk something different. What entire people was thinking in the industry. He came with the not from Microsoft. The OS himself is different. Innovation and design. Computer which they Mac used to come is something very unique in nature. For example, I can give an example what could be the success story of iPod. They launched iPod in the year 2003. iPod means intellectual portable over. That could be the success story of iPod. 50 billion, almost majority sales came through iPod because they realized that most of the people who buy the computer, what Apple has done, they try to sell the computers not to they try to sell the customers, the individual buyers and office goers, home buyers, and professionals, lawyers, engineers, college students, those who can able to buy. They never looked out the conventional customers where banks, education institutes, or IT companies. Those are the guys really who buy computers bulk. But Apple decided we don't want customers. And they started using Microsoft OS. They started using and they made the product very, and the product is that OS and preferred it. And they also realized that most of them are used for listening to music. So why to get our premium price when you are using only for these two application? What they have done, extracted this both the product, iPod. But if you see iPod, Apple this product, but entire through Apple. But the credit goes to in 1999. Two more companies which have started 1999 and 2000, Kaba and Rio. There are two different brands launched in early, but those brands never. These brands were failed. But when Apple launched it, the entire world come to know why. Because he did innovation. He created not only a product, he created a product with hardware embedded with the design with a wonderful ecosystem. He tunes. If you buy a if song, you'll have to buy either in the form of CD. You'll have to pay the 12 to 15 songs, but all 15 songs may not be good. Or entire CD, one or two songs. Correct? And why 400 rupees? You buy the song which you like. iTunes and iPod success. And he also realized that most of the people in the system only for referring internet. That's why the store had. Then mobile, you know how the iPhone changed the entire industry. Right? There should be some real value addition. And there is a solution to that. Why iPad has become success? Very unique, the size, and it serve the purpose of what you want to serve in speed. And iPhone entered. But the same success story may not repeat the brand called. Because what is the accessory what we use for the fashion accessory? And you can be able to put that, the connected with only certain model when customer doesn't find there is a value addition to that with that price. Normally people used to have multiple watches for multiple occasion. So it has some limitation. That's why certain brands, even that Apple, when they launched it, they failed. How the brands are becoming emerging. And today, what's happening is the smart digitization. Digitization plays vital role when you want to talk to today's business. And when you want to scale it up, only digitization helps you to grow your business. The product should be techno-oriented. See, multiple examples is keep on coming with the perspective of the business dynamic. How can you able to align your business objectives based on dynamics? Today, market is moving on certain direction. And people are ready to accept when the product gives certain value. Try to give solutions. Always that is very, very important. And today, whether it's a tractor or automobile or apparel or watch, you see how the products are focusing, shifting their focus, not just core product. The product should also focus more about solutions. And as are you in? You try to focus in your business perspective. I quoted the example of shampoo, even from television. Or any product you in, and don't just give a product. And that is a very, very important element as far as business is concerned. And I always try to customize, reinvent. That's very, very important in the business. Probably I can mail you articles to which I published in newspaper that can be used for your reference reading. You can ask, since I try to answer it through the either email or LinkedIn. And today's the smart station because of economy, because in business nature with the help of digital, completely business has need to be reinvented. Right? So don't talk about price. Marketing. Talk about value. Because today customers are looking for value, what we get for the product. This is just nomenclature difference if you talk about, but still the complete use of seeing toward the product should be business need to be changed. And don't talk about promotion. We always talk about educating the customer is much more. And we also talk about distribution, talk about access. For example, today success story, how Amazon could able to turn down the businesses. Same thing you can always see Flipkart start their businesses by selling a textbook, but today you see Amazon try to sell A to Z. That's what even the logo also talk about, A to Z, right? Always it is nothing wrong. You start with business with something. You create your business, start with something and move based on the market, and nothing wrong about it. Mahindra started from tractors. Mahindra and Mohammed. Then they started equipment. Today they are one of the largest manufacturers, producers of compact SUV segment. You see the portfolios, how many SUVs they have. Right? So is their focus, nothing wrong about it. That's why the company evolves. You can see her mood in. When they started booking my trip within 5 days, they lost it when they started. It is a fact. When they started Paytm, online travel portal also make my trip lost. They started selling movie tickets. These are all companies come with absolute. So we can quote on many examples. And Yatish, would you like to have any questions? Because this topic is so interesting. I used to teach this entire module for almost 40 hours. It is only giving a support, how to reinvent. So if you have any question, I'd love to have more question answers rather than, just delivering a sessions, because they are entrepreneurs. Just made an attempt to, rethinking how the thought process. And I mentioned many companies, many, author names. If you go through further on they'll come to know how the businesses are coming up. This will add, more thought process if you could able to browse this. I repeat just what is happening, there is something new.
So I think the more question can be asked, like give an example of like A and B and PNB as well as Yo-Yo.
Yeah.
Hello.
Because
like how
this topic, whichever I said, very it is going to change scenario. You see how EV vehicle is going to replace with the model. And only thing is waiting for it. But once the started industry will come, the entire dynamics will change.
yes.
You are going to change amazing changes in the online businesses, changing their businesses. Every product is coming to your doorstep. You don't need to go out. Complete and mortar, we are shifting to click and mortar. EV is coming into the picture. See that every business is disrupting, and the guys who can able to survive, think of something new, they will survive. Survival of fittest is a thumb rule.
Yeah, I was asking a question like how this can be helpful to the small business as well as the families who are running business from long time, and how they can use the disruption innovation model to change their shifting from one market to another market and spreading across.
Yeah, if you see whatever business are they in, they have to understand.
Yeah, there was some problem.
Yeah, see, for an example, it depends upon the nature of business. What business are they in? If they could able to see, there is a thumb rule in the business: big fish, small fish, but not necessarily small fish is big. All the big fish, few years before a small fish. For example, today if you see during this COVID also, businesses were emerged. All the small time entrepreneurs came with highly innovative concepts. They can able to disrupt you when they understand the market better. How they can able to do real value additions. You can see one of the example, most of the family-run business. I would like to add one industry is jewelry. Today, you see how jewelries are made it into India's biggest brand. All the brands which is coming from South, they could able to scale it up the business like anything. You can see how this is focusing on digital, how they're focusing on platform on the social media. They could able to get the business simultaneously they built a business on physical stores because still the product has the physical store. Brick and mortar is much more important in their jewelry business. They couldn't able to replace it with online.
Mhm.
They could physical stores and made it into built transparency, making into a business much more, selling hallmark jewelries, and see how much emphasis they are giving on branding, which you never find 2 decades before. So every business has to identify, they can't copy it. See, the one great thing about the business, you have to identify what is your DNA, where you can able to skill, where you can able to leverage of it. I got a client as a masalas, and masala is absolutely unorganized. Most of the family run business by certain communities. Able to do, they created a wonderful packaging, created a unique branding, and created a unique price, which they could able to sell it up because there is no branded players across India. Very few brands available. You have to see only the opportunities, sir. For example, why Kellogg's is launching a Upma? You can see recent launch. How McDonald's launching a rice bowl. See, every company try to reinvent. Huge potential for domestic market and global market. India is 130. I'll give another example. Probably you can understand. If a antiseptic soap today because of COVID, every antiseptic. I don't want to buy the brand or Lifebuoy. Can you tell me fourth brand? I can challenge you. Fourth brand.
No
Yatish,
idea.
can you able to tell?
No idea. No idea.
You can go and ask any Indians out of question. You don't get any answers, sir. Maybe you get one or two brands which were unheard. Brands, sir. Or
Okay.
maybe they'll tell one or two brands which may not be aware. But tell me, is it a country what we talk about 130 crore population? There is after this three. If you could create a product with good, you can able to get a wonderful market. Even if you get 2% of the population, if you buy the place. Just imagine same with pickles. Few limited brand which could able to reach all over India. Milan Pickle started today. They are few hundred crore business. All MSMEs have a huge scope. How to do that? Right time. Very important. Your strategy because market is out opportunity. Where to compete? And we talk about second, what are the resources you have, how to compete, and if how to execute. Very, very important. These are the three. Market is all about what resources you have, how do you execute. Patanjali's became success because they could able to the opportunity of the market. What is the opportunity today? People talk about made in India. He said Bharat, made in Bharat. The in nature. Because of the today, still there is scope. If you could able to create a product and reach to the customer, you have to bring with good practices.
Okay.
But important, but what type of innovation depends upon the nature. What business are they in? I can't give general example to fit for all MSMs. If they say I am an MSME who is in a small manufacturing of apparel, it will be different from fast foods. Because today fast foods, how many new brands are emerged? New concepts, cloud kitchen, centralized kitchen, black kitchen. See the news which is emerging. Ready to eat foods. The product which is Bharat became biggest brand today, few hundred crores business. What is the great? Is it a product is great? Just idli and parapati, right? You know how to packaging, processing it, and try to place it in front of customer in the right price. Are accepting it. I am Bangalore guy, Mustafa. So I can give on many hundreds of example. Yeah. Any other
Yeah. I
question,
think so.
Yatish?
No, that's all I understood. Yeah, I understood everything, and my audience maybe also will also understand. Uh, so what I can say is that if they have any
So if they have any
query,
difficulty, they can reach me in my LinkedIn. I wish to
yeah,
interact and through my LinkedIn or Facebook, we discuss. Sorry, I have not made it any company lectures. I just made it few examples what is happening. So the open think process. That's what the vision is, to sow the seed. That's it. I'm sure it thought process emerges.
yeah. So I think so. Audience
So
can connect with
this is
you
not
on
valid.
our Facebook, YouTube, or LinkedIn, and raise the
Right,
question whatever the query they have.
right.
So
My pleasure, sir.
that's all. Like,
Thank you
so
for the
I
great
just
opportunity. We wish to interact with them more.
yeah, yeah.
Thank you for inviting good interaction. Anything else would like to ask?
That's all. That's all. So
Thank
I
you, sir.
just thank you, Doctor. I just thank you for Dr. Srinivasan Iyengar to coming up and speaking up on this platform and guiding small medium enterprises as well as family business uh, people who are running the businesses, so they can learn from this show and get interacted with Dr. Srinivasan, and if they have any queries, they can connect with him. That's all I can say that now. Yeah, thank you very
Yeah.
much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for
Yeah,
inviting. And remember, whichever
yeah,
brand I said, all entrepreneurship journey in a small group. That's so
yeah, yeah.
remember that this became world-class product brand, but started in a humble beginning. So I wish all SMEs innovative product, think something new. I'm sure sky, there is no limit for sky.
Yeah, yeah.